Fuck out of the road! Fucking bitch. What is that, dude? And he's mad at me? Like, how's he gonna be mad at me, man? What a jerk, dude. It would have wrecked both of us. I mean, obviously, he'd have got wrecked. I weigh 500 pounds. 7 with me on it. You got that guy up there creeping the crosswalk because he doesn't want to stop and put his foot down. What the hell's wrong with people, man? Like 5:45 on a Thursday. Everybody just lost their minds. Dang, man. I'm just trying to go to the gym for a little bit. Just trying to go to the gym for a little bit and not feel feelings. I got a lot of those right now, man. Just missing someone so bad, it sucks. Missed a gear. Gosh dang, I'm out of it too, man. Let's see if it's better when I get out of here. Man, that workout was so depressing. I mean, I guess I feel better than I did before I went in, but yeah. Yeah. Sucked. Kelly is the name of the workout, the benchmark workout. I'm just like super bumming right now anyway, so I don't know why. Like I guess I still have these like little roller coaster emotions from my ex-girlfriend, who was just a true effing loss for me. Anyway, try to have a little fun on the murder cycle. I think I called it that when I was a little kid. Boom, boom. Let's see if I got any crazy MFers on my way home. Man, I wish I hadn't cussed at that guy like that, but he ticked me off so bad. I don't need to go this way, but I just am. cheer up, man. Life's not that bad. You're single, this is your time to become a badass. I'm a little, I guess, I'm bummed about other things too. I've only missed like 3 days of CrossFit in 6 weeks. Like, that's really consistent for me. And then today's workout just broke me, and I just feel like I haven't even really improved. I haven't lost a single pound, and I know that my body composition has changed, and you know, CrossFit is not necessarily about just like shredding weight right off the bat, but I just was concerned about all that, and so I went in and I got my testosterone level checked by my doctor, and she's like, well, it's within the normal range. So I did some research on my own to like figure out what the normal range is, right? And the normal range is like 132 to 813 or something like that, based on the testing method they use. It varies by testing method, but because I'm like, okay, well, if there's a standard range, like, I'm at the bottom of it or in the middle, you know? So average man my age should be somewhere around 667 total testosterone, and that's nanograms per deciliter, so ng/dl. I'm at 226. Now you get on the internet for 2 minutes and you tell me that 226 is a healthy testosterone level for a 39-year-old man. Give it a goog. It's worth a goog. Try it out. Anyways, I gotta stop for a minute. To be continued. What the hell is going on here? Lebanon and their RVs, man. Criminy. It just broke down right there, probably. I don't... Oh my gosh. I know I'm being like super judgy, but dang, man. I'll be right back. Alright, back on the road. We'll go home and eat a nice steak and try to get some sleep. Got the kids over tonight, that's cool. Get them to school in the morning. I love having them for the weekend. It's sure it's getting dark early. It's not. I think it's like maybe 7:30 right now. I don't mind it. I'm glad that the rain has held off. I mean, we've only got like some little sprinkles all of September, and I've been able to ride every day. I mean, I'll ride in the rain too, but I need some gear. Anyways, so yeah, total testosterone 226 nanograms per deciliter. Horrible number in my opinion, but within standard range. So she wants me to get checked for sleep apnea. So of course I researched that too. So poor sleep has a severe impact on testosterone level for men. It can age your testosterone, your free testosterone, by a decade, okay? So I know that sounds like a lot, and it is, and that's a pretty severe impact, but it's a pretty severe impact for someone who has normal levels of testosterone. So my age range, for example, 667 total testosterone for a man my age. Age that by a decade, and the average is 607. And I'm still at 226, right? So what? My sleep brings my testosterone level up to, let's just give it 60 points. Let's give it 60 nanograms per deciliter and say my testosterone is all of a sudden then at 286. Wow. Still grounds for testosterone replacement therapy. And I think I'm so frustrated because how long have I been battling this? Like, all the, you know, mental health that I've attempted and all the weight loss that I've struggled with forever, and like just so many different things, like lack of drive. Like, I meet all but one of the symptoms of low testosterone, and that's hair. I'm really hairy. I have like a beard and stuff. So Like, how, you know, this, it's just, I'm really frustrated, and I'm trying to not be, but it's just bringing me down in other areas. I submitted my tests to one of these online TRT companies, and they're real doctors. I mean, it's not like it's some shady thing. It's just telehealth. So I don't know. We'll see where this goes, but you know, let's just say that I have sleep apnea, right? Let's just pretend. I don't think I do. I know I snore. I've been told I snore, but I have never been told that I stop breathing. And let's just pretend that I have sleep apnea. Dude, if my BMI wasn't like 40, I don't know what it actually is. I mean, I'm 5'5", and I weigh 230 pounds. If I lost weight, if I have sleep apnea and I lost weight, I wouldn't have sleep apnea anymore. Right? Like, come on. And I don't lose weight because I have no flipping testosterone in my body. I'm like not even a man, basically. Just, I don't know. Whatever, dude. I'm gonna stop ranting on it. But yeah, this was probably kind of a depressing depressing video, but I'm just in a low spot. So I'll be back. I'll be back up. Almost got my daughter's room finished, so I'll get a before and after of that up, and that one's good because I actually did it during, like, the prep and some of the things I like to do, you know, before painting, and I'll share some of those. I'm by no means a professional, but you know, be open to learning from everyone. That's what I try really hard to do. So anyways, thanks for checking in on me and letting me go off about my life's problems. And I will talk to you soon. Good night, everybody.